If you're getting married this year or next year and you're looking for ways to save money, watch this video. I got married in 2022 and I researched for months. So I'm going to save somebody the time and the effort that it took me to find the things that I'm about to share with y'all. Number 1, brides. If you are looking for a dress and you have a very specific finite budget, but you're looking for that lavish, glamorous wedding dress, look at ordering from outside of the country. I know that sounds taboo. I know that sounds super scary, but girl, you will be surprised what you find. My dress came from Kosovo or Kosovo. If you're from there, or if you know how to say the word, please correct me in the comments. But Kosovo. I ordered it from this dressmaker company called Wallone Fashion Group. Very similar to another dressmaking company that's also out there called Leah Stabella. Look into them, girl. They have dresses for under $2,000, and you might find some other ones that are even less than that. Number 2, grooms and groomsmen tuxes or suits. Look into renting them. You will save $100 per head to rent the suits rather than purchasing them, because it comes with everything. It comes with the shoes, it comes with the suit, it comes with the handkerchief, the whole nine. Look into renting them over purchasing them, and look at non-mainstream tux places. Like, you don't have to go to Men's Warehouse. There's other places that you can find them for even less. Number 3, bridesmaids. So bridesmaids dresses, you might always go to like David's Bridal. I do not recommend. I have heard horror stories about David's Bridal. Like, there's been people who said that it's taken months for them to get their bridesmaids dresses, and some of them didn't even arrive before their wedding date. I couldn't imagine. I got my bridesmaids dresses from Shein. Yep, I said it, Shein. I'm not ashamed. They were under $100 and they looked amazing and they all matched. It was great. But the other websites that I was also looking at for bridesmaids dresses was Azazi, JJ's House, and also Club London. You'd be surprised. Now, JJ's House does look sketch, but I promise you their dresses are real. And the return policies at these places were amazing. I'm running out of time. Let me know if y'all like this video. I'll make a part 2 with more details, pictures, and explanations.